A bus driver arrested for having a loaded gun on a bus, and police say it was a child on that bus that actually found the weapon.
We're told the driver bussed kids from King Philip Middle School. And WBZ's Juli McDonald is live in Norfolk now with the very latest. Julie?
Well, Lisa and David, school leaders here are calling this an incredibly dangerous situation that could have turned tragic in the blink of an eye. We have a newly released surveillance image, newly released mugshot of that suspect that we do want to show you. 65-year-old David Tripp of Norfolk was arrested at his home today. Police recovered this Smith & Wesson .45 caliber. It was loaded with 7 rounds when police received it, but it did not have a round in the chamber. According to the police investigation, it fell out of Tripp's pocket while he was cleaning the bus on Thursday. Then about a dozen middle school students saw it when they boarded the bus to go home. Investigators determined through interviews and surveillance that no students touched the weapon, and then it was parents who called police last night. In a statement, King Philip Regional Superintendent Paul Zini said this is a deeply disturbing situation in which an employee entrusted with the care and transportation of school children allegedly put them in danger by not only carrying a firearm on a school bus, but being so reckless as to lose it and allow a child to find it. Now, Tripp will be arraigned Monday in Rentham Court. He's facing some serious charges, including reckless endangerment of a child and intimidation. I do want to include also he does have a license to carry. That has been suspended, and any other weapons were taken by police. Live in Norfolk, Juli McDonald, WBZ News.